In the development work, the Volvo FH has been subjected to thousands of simulated collision tests and around 100 real crash tests. High-strength materials such as dual-phase steel have been used in collision-absorbing beams and in the doors. The cab also uses the strongest steel available for body panelling. Strength and function are also enhanced with new technology such as laser welding. The windscreen is bonded into place to improve overall strength. In previous models, the windscreen served as an emergency exit, but now the roof hatch serves this function. Altogether, several improvements such as larger windows, a clearer instrument panel, improved visibility and active safety systems make the Volvo FH cab the safest ever built in the history of Volvo trucks.